It moves like a shadow, silent, sudden, and gone before you blink. Meet the bobcat, North America's elusive feline, cloaked in a tawny coat mottled with black spots, short bobtail twitching with every step. Its tufted ears flick toward the tiniest sound, and golden eyes scan for movement in the underbrush. Only twice the size of a house cat, but with the attitude of a lion, the bobcat thrives where forest meets field. It stalks rabbits, squirrels, even deer, striking fast with deadly precision. Few have truly seen one in the wild. Now that you've caught a glimpse, would you trust yourself to spot it again before it vanishes?